Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Exodus wallet. First, download and install the Exodus application on your preferred device, whether it's your computer or smartphone. Once installed, you'll create a new wallet. This process will generate a 12-word recovery phrase. Write it down carefully and store it securely offline. Never share this phrase with anyone. Finally, familiarize yourself with the clean, intuitive interface, which makes managing your digital assets straightforward. Sending and receiving cryptocurrency with Exodus is simple. To receive, navigate to the asset you wish to receive and locate your unique wallet address. Share this address with the sender. To send, select the asset, enter the recipient's address, and specify the amount. Always double-check the address and amount before confirming the transaction. Exodus provides clear prompts to ensure your transfers are accurate and secure, giving you peace of mind. Exodus offers convenient features for exchanging and earning. The integrated exchange allows you to swap one cryptocurrency for another directly within your wallet, often with competitive rates. Additionally, you can explore staking opportunities for certain assets, enabling you to earn passive rewards on your holdings. Regularly check your portfolio to monitor the performance of your assets and track any rewards you've accumulated, helping you stay informed about your investments. Security is paramount when managing digital assets. Always enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection on your Exodus wallet. Regularly back up your wallet using your recovery phrase and store it in a safe, private location. If you ever need assistance, Exodus provides excellent customer support to help with any issues. Remember, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.